that old Passat. Not sure what age. You can see rust on there. The national rust. So this guy's rusty and the owner's proud of it. Look at this here. Any new. 05 Volkswagen Passat. It's even got cobwebs. Now this is probably my favorite. Absolutely mad. Yakuza. Oh, that's the owner. Yeah? Let me have a look. Wait, is it a Lexus?
Yeah.
Why? That looks mad. Proper steering wheel, bucket seats. Yo. So outside looks like that. Inside is all modified. No back seats, as you can see. Fire extinguisher, wires up there. A lot of buttons there. Literally just been stripped apart. Oh, this looks absolutely mad. It looks more crazy inside. You can tell it's not a cruising car. That's his Instagram there if you want to see more videos and pictures of that. And when I put the lights on, this is something else. Head turner, is it? Did you build this yourself?
Yeah.
How long?
5 years.
5 years? Did a great job here, you know. Yeah, it looks crazy. When I put the lights on, this car can break your neck if you see it driving past you. Whoa, yeah. Let's see it from the front here. That looks crazy. I hope it's not Yakuza. I hope you're not a part of Yakuza.
We don't talk about that.
You don't talk about that.
That is private and confidential.
Hey, it's all here. It's not here. Boy, that is crazy. Look at this old Volkswagen Golf. It's a GTI. Beautiful, classic. Volkswagen Golf. Look at the rims. Edition 30, yeah, check out the interior though. Sunroof and everything. Yeah. Pink Fanta.
It's alright.
It's alright. Wide body. Look at that. Skyline. Mad.
Thank you.
Oh, that's very posh.
Like and subscribe, yeah?